When you don't have a big budget for marketing, like when you're just getting started with your business or you're not bringing in the sales that you originally expected, it's important to take advantage of low-cost marketing options and doing your marketing on your own. The good news is that as a business owner or solopreneur, you know everything about your business. You know all the ins and outs, you have the vision of where you want your business to go, and you're the voice and the brand of your business. By focusing your time and efforts on a few very specific areas, you can market your business effectively, even on a low budget. In today's podcast episode, I cover some of the best ways that you can market your business even if you don't have a considerable amount of money to spend. You need to market your business to generate new sales, and you need sales to grow your business. Whether you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, small business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, you can easily make a difference in your marketing by taking advantage of at least one or two of the marketing opportunities I cover today. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Hey there! If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, you're building your business and you're serious about growing your business to your first 6 figures, trending towards multiple 6 figures, or even 7 figures, I want to invite you to join me in a free consultation call. I've created a business strategy and growth program that is the program that you need that helps you take your business to the next level. It sets the foundation for you to build, grow, and scale your dream business for the long term. It's for you if you are a business owner who desires to build a successful business and you want to do it in the most accelerated, streamlined, and sustainable way, and in a way that aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. I'm really proud of the work that my clients and I do in this program and the transformation that happens for my clients through this one-on-one consulting process so that they can fully reach their dreams, set the foundation for their business, and create belief and actions to achieve what is possible by taking control and understanding their business, which leads to a balanced and more fulfilled life. There are limited spots available because of the very high level of support included in this program, and because I'm also very serious about helping my clients get results. I'm helping clients get their businesses started, be more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal life. Your business finances are impacted by much more than just your bookkeeping and financial knowledge. You need a solid business foundation. During your consultation session, we'll work together to go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. If this sounds like you, I want you to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions. And if you're at a place where you know that you're ready for this level of business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support with high-level business discussions that will give you the exact next steps and the ability to reach your goals and achievements. Let's get on a call so that we can talk about and see what's possible for you and your business this year. You can go to financialadventure.com/contact-us to schedule your call today. I'll post a link in the show notes for you as well. Welcome back. When it comes to marketing your business, there's no question that you need to do it, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you need to spend a great deal of money to generate results. When you spend time focusing your marketing efforts in the right places, you'll see a difference. The first place that I recommend you start is to really narrow down the scope of your target market. Don't market to everyone. Find out who your ideal customer is and focus your marketing efforts directly on them. Take a look at who your current customers are. These are the ones you are already naturally attracting to your business. Try to double down on more of this type of customer. Find out their wants and their needs, as well as their pain points, and let potential customers know how you can help them as well. Ask questions and get feedback from customers to find out what they really want and let them know how your product or service solves their problems. Make a connection with your customers and encourage them to leave reviews and help promote word-of-mouth marketing. Word of mouth can help generate referrals from your customers' friends, family, and colleagues, and it can drive higher trust and generate more sales. By learning more about your current customers, you'll be able to drill down and know your target market better. The more that you know and understand your customers, the easier it will be to communicate with them, market to them, and sell them what they want. Try to have your marketing and your messaging so dialed in for your customers that they feel like you are talking directly to them. Make it personal by sending handwritten thank you notes whenever your customers help you learn more about them or help promote your business. Once you know who your target market is, you can use incentives with your current or past customers to promote additional sales or generate recurring revenues. Ask for referrals from these customers or offer them a frequent buyer rewards program to generate additional sales. Capture their birth dates and send promotions to them for their special day or even on holidays. Make sure that you're getting testimonials from your current customers so that you can use them in your marketing. Understand how your competition is marketing their products and services. Find a way to differentiate yourself and your product or service from your competition. Is there a way that you can take a different approach and stand out from the crowd or market to a group of people that are being missed? Learn what your competition is doing for their marketing and then do it better for your business. Take advantage of having a free social media presence. List your business on Google Places, create a Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube channel, or another social media account. Customers expect to be able to find you on social media. This option is perfect for you if you have more time than money right now in your business. Please don't get overwhelmed with all of the platforms, though. I would strongly recommend choosing one platform that you feel the most comfortable with and go all in on that platform. Once you've mastered this one platform, then you can add others if and when you're ready. Create a plan and what your goals are before jumping into social media marketing. Make sure that your plan is obtainable and be consistent with whatever you decide. Make sure once you're established on your social media platform, you ask others to share your information. Even if you have a small following, you can expand your reach with the help of your followers. Create a contest or offer a prize for their help in sharing your information. Take some time to claim all of your social media handles, even if you're not ready to start with those platforms yet. You want to be able to keep a consistent brand overall, and by claiming your handles early, you should be able to do this. If you're a local business, be active in your community. Attend local events and network with others whenever you can. You can join your local Chamber of Commerce or other networking groups. Before attending these events, though, make sure that you have fine-tuned your elevator pitch, you have business cards, and be consistent with your brand whenever you're sharing about your business. You can even offer to speak at an event, or you could host an event or a class yourself to promote your business. Start to collect email addresses and build your email list as soon as possible and start sending out emails on a consistent basis. Email marketing is an inexpensive way to stay in touch with your current and potential customers. You can promote your product or service and share your value with them. You own your email list, unlike social media, Facebook, or Instagram, which could be shut down without any notice. When you have an email list, you always have control of how you manage your list and how often you want to reach out to them. Once you have an email provider selected and set up, start to encourage your customers to sign up. Offer a free download, a special offer, or even exclusive tips or advice when they subscribe. Giveaways are another great way to get the word out about your business, your product, or your services. You could give away samples of your product or free services. Coupons or contests are an additional way that you can give away your products or services. You could also hold a free workshop or a webinar to help people learn more about your business. Make sure that whatever you're offering for free aligns with your brand and is high quality and relevant so that your customers see the value in it. You can create a presence online with a website. Most customers will search online before making a purchase, so your customers are going to need a place to go to research your product or your service before buying. Make sure that your website has been search engine optimized so that your customers can easily find you. Your website should clearly describe what it is that you're offering as well as the benefits that your customers will achieve and how it will impact their lives. Remember the phrase, if you confuse, you lose. Keep your website simple and easy to understand. You can also create content that you can share with your audience. Make sure that this content is valuable, relevant, and informational content that your audience can use. This content can be shared with a blog, a podcast, or even as a video on YouTube. And don't feel like you need to hire an expensive team to do video, create a blog, or even a podcast. You can do this all on your own while being authentic. Once you have your content created, you can repurpose this content in many ways, including utilizing it on your social media platforms. Break down your content into high-value, bite-sized pieces that get results for your customers. You can even collaborate with other businesses that complement what you have to offer in your business. You could offer to be a guest on other platforms and ensure that all of your content is consistent with your brand. You can take this collaboration one step further and have a cross-promotion with other businesses that have the same target audience as yours but are not in direct competition with each other, and you can create a way to promote each other. Overall, I don't want you to be afraid to get out there and tell everyone that you know about your business. If you don't market, it's hard to bring in new business, revenues, and sales. You can actually do a lot of marketing on a low budget. Enlist your friends and family to help you spread the word about your business by providing them with materials that they can share. Each of these options discussed today can help you market your business inexpensively and can really make an impact. If you feel like you need to up your marketing game, but something's holding you back from taking the steps to get started, or if you're already marketing your business but you know you could be doing a better job, I'd love to help you move forward and start seeing faster results. Many of the solopreneurs that I work with lack the confidence that they need to just get the word out about their business, market, and start making more money. If you're interested, you can sign up for one of my free consultation sessions, and we'll take a look at where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself in the future. Sometimes you just need someone from outside of your business to look inside and help you see where you could take steps to improve. I'm excited to announce that my 100th podcast episode is coming up in the next few weeks. To celebrate, I'm giving away a 4-week business strategy and coaching package to one of my lucky podcast listeners. My one-on-one business strategy and coaching sessions really help clients get specific about what they need to work on to reach their next level in their business. Each session, we work together to make plans specific to your business and create a plan to follow through on your intentions. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I help business owners just like you to push through and stop limiting yourself with the success that you could be achieving in your business. Whether you need help with the next steps you need to make, you want to get more sales but you're unsure how to do it, or you need to gain a deeper understanding of your business finances so that you can be more profitable, I can help. Clients come to me because they know that I'm knowledgeable in both the financial aspect of business as well as how important it is to have a strategy and work through your mindset and whatever's holding you back from reaching the highest vision you have for yourself and your business. By helping you make the right decisions and holding you accountable so that you follow through with your plans, you get to see your results much faster. You could be seeing success like this in your business. If you'd like to be entered in the drawing for the 4-week one-on-one coaching package that I'm giving away, you need to sign up for one of my free consultation sessions by September 3rd, 2022. I always offer these free consultation sessions, but when you sign up for one of my free consultation sessions from now through September 3rd, 2022, you could also be the winner of the 4-week business strategy and coaching package that I'm giving away. You can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button to schedule your session. During this consultation, we'll spend up to an hour together going over where you currently are in your business, where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future, and take action to get you started on the path to success. You'll walk away with action steps so that you can start moving forward in your business right away. If you're already a one-on-one client of mine, that's not a problem. Just let me know that you'd like to be entered in the drawing on our next call, and you'll also have a chance to win. I've been helping business owners and bookkeepers achieve their goals for over 25 years, and it's the best feeling when I see the joy it brings my clients when they follow through with their aspirations. I'm looking forward to meeting you in a consultation session soon. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and bookkeepers where you're listening to this podcast and in the show notes. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.